Hey guys, on this cycle, we have a movement that we're gonna try to work on going heavy on that we have not really done for a long time in here. So it should be cool, good chance to practice something that you guys maybe have not practiced before. We're working on heavy thrusters. We're gonna be doing it for the next 4 weeks. It's something we see in competition, but it's also something that if you become better at heavier reps, then the lighter reps that we do during the average workout will become more efficient for you. So we're gonna be doing 4 weeks of strength work on our thrusters. Week 1, we're doing 12 rounds of 2 reps, 1 round every 45 seconds. The second week, we're doing 12 rounds of 3 reps, 1 round every 45 seconds. On the third week, we're doing 14 rounds of 2 reps, 1 round every 45 seconds. And finally, we're doing 14 rounds of 1 rep, 1 round every 45 seconds. So we've kept the rest fairly short, but the reps are also fairly short. This should give you a chance to try and add weight every couple of minutes while you go through the EMOMs. What we want to see is you getting more and more efficient at heavy repetitions with your thrusters. We have 3 points of emphasis I want you to think about every single week on this movement. The first point of emphasis is your front rack position at the bottom of the rep. You want your elbows high, but a full grip on the bar. You do not want the bar resting off of your shoulders so that your wrists are taking most of the pressure. You also don't want to have it on your fingertips. That forces you to re-grip the bar as it's going up and down off of your shoulders at the top of the thruster. The second point of emphasis that I want you to think about is drive through the top of the squat. The entire thruster movement is not actually the same speed. You go down fairly slowly, you bounce out of the squat just like you normally would. Then the top half of the squat moving into the shoulder overhead should be fast and explosive. This drives the bar up with some momentum and means that you don't have to use quite as much shoulder strength to press through the top of the rep. That's gonna allow you to go heavier. The third point of emphasis that we want to focus on is being explosive and efficient for heavy reps. That will translate into the lighter, high volume of repetition that we see in often workouts, but stronger, heavier reps is a great strength workout as well. It's a compound movement, combining a squat plus a shoulder to overhead all at once. We're excited to see how you guys do with this. For those of you that like to compete, these are showing up more and more in competition. Great chance for you to start to work on it. Remember guys, the reps do come from the floor unless you have an injury. So, good luck. Let's see how heavy we can get with our thrusters over the next 4 weeks.